like we're at the other airport. Yep. There you go. We're at this new airport. It's a smaller one. Okay, so we're this. They have some fun in this airport. We're at Gate 5. It's Burger King and Popeyes. Walking down the hall. The smaller planes in here. In this airport. The Vietnam airplane, which is a smaller one. Domestic travel. How they do the flight instructions. It's like a dance. That's how they show the flight instructions. We're trying to go soon. That's how they do it. So we landed. This is the outside of the airport. There's another international airport in Vietnam. Okay, so we're staying at this fancy looking hotel. Look at that. This fancy hotel. Premier Best Western. Look at this. Man, looks so fancy. How much does this cost? In the US, I would never stay at one of these. What is this? Looks like there might be a restaurant over there. Yep, that's a restaurant. I don't know what they got. We'll probably check it out later. Alright, we're going. Look at this. Fancy. Alright, see you guys later. Look at this. Gingerbread house. Time to eat it. This is our room, 7305. We got these cards. Is it a tap or is it a wake up? There we go. Let's see. Oh, look, we got a kitchen in here. We got no lights. Here's the switch. I think we put one of these cards in here. I think. There we go. Get out of my way, door. The spring's too strong. You got an induction stove. Water. We got some ramens here. I don't know if they charge us, probably. We got a TV. What else we got? There's a lot of beds. There's 3 beds in here pretty much. Okay, a mirror, this little ball thing. What else? No smoking. Got a little trash can. Sitting area with some slippers down there. They give us some stuff in here. We got a, I don't know what that is. That a fridge? Yeah, that's a fridge. There's some drinks. There's nothing in here. Oh, there's a balcony out there. What the? Nothing else in here. Nothing really up here. So this is like if you stay for a long time, I guess you can start loading your stuff in there. There's a microwave. Here's the bathroom again with the spray nozzle to spray your butt. Shower separate here. Got a nice big shower head there. Soaps. Glasses. What are these? Shaving kit, comb, dental kit. Nothing back there. Oh, what is this? They give you some Hawaiian shirts. Oh, bathrobes. Okay, there's a safe there and a basket up there. Probably for laundry. We've got a telephone. Here's the AC controls. 26? Yeah, right. Wait, 21. It's not doing anything. 22 is fine. Okay, but it's not really doing anything. Doesn't feel like it's that temperature. Okay, and we got, there's a balcony out here. Okay, you rotate the handle and it opens. That's a weird design because when you pull, you gotta like pull that, like, that's so weird. Wait, what? Uh-oh. Okay, yeah. I feel like the handle should be this direction when you slide it. That's weird, but okay. Got some chairs out here and a little clothes drying thing. So now we can actually wash our clothes off and dry it outside. Nice. And we can see glass table here, and there's the restaurant across the street. VV Hotel, VV Mart. Can we read that? The lighting makes it hard to read, but it looks like there's probably some pho. And people are down there eating. That's it for the hotel tour. See you guys later. Oh, I forgot. Next to the bed here, they have this little lamp here. It's on this little thing just for yourself. And 2 outlets. Alright, see you guys later. Oh, it looks like this can also roll up. So if you want, you can be in the shower and you can actually see people in the room, I guess. What the? Why would you? So you could put on a show and shower for the people outside in the outside room. Alright, see you guys later. Okay, so I found the prices for the food thing. There's this little menu book here. And you can actually see. What's that? Water, 30,000. Orange juice, 50,000. Coke, 50,000. Noodles, 30,000. And other noodles, 30,000. So, yeah. I think, what is it? 500,000 is about 21 bucks or so. So 50,000 is about, what? Am I doing the math wrong? $2, right? So 25. So it's a little over $1 or so. All right, anyways, that's it. See you guys later. All right, so I'm gonna run down the stairs. We'll see. I hope this isn't like an emergency exit and sounds an alarm. I think this is in case of fire use. Okay, I'm gonna just use the stairs anyways. We're 7 floors up, so let's see how long it takes. There's double doors. All right, and we're here, so. I'm just gonna run down on 6th floor. Oh, it's not gonna take too long. Just don't trip, obviously. There's no lights in this place. 4th floor. This is gonna be a good workout if I do this every day. Every time we go out, it's gonna make me dizzy. 2nd floor already. Takes about a minute, 20 seconds or so. Here we go. M. Is this 1st floor? What is this? Maintenance room. I think that's what M stands for. And number 1, there's no door. Okay, we got it. Here we go. I'm outside. Where's the front entrance of this building now? Oh, here we go. Okay, so a minute and a half or so. Going up will probably take longer, like 2-3 minutes. But yeah, ended up outside. That's it. See you guys later. We're gonna go eat some dinner. Look at the dog. He has like a raised thing on his back. That's interesting. I've never seen that. Does that grow naturally, or did they shave him like that? What, the fur? Yeah, look at that. He has like a raised spine. All right, we're walking around this place. Most of them are pretty closed. I don't know. I guess like maybe it's not the more popular tourist time, so I don't know. But they got lots of little shops. There's like seafood over there. And they have these little tiny shops here. There's a fountain. Yeah. So it's pretty interesting. Oh, there's look, that's like a Korean one or something. What's this? Milk tea. That's some Japanese thing. I don't know what they serve. And whoa, so many places. There's like ice cream one here. Some other eating places. Whoa. Okay, this place is bigger than I thought. Where are we gonna eat? Which one do you want to eat at? There's a Korean barbecue there too. Supermarket. So this place actually has a lot of shops, so it's probably too late for them right now, but that's it. We'll see where we decide to eat. I don't know. But that's pretty cool. They have all this shopping and everything everywhere. Hopefully it's more lively in the daytime. Look at this. What is that? Cannot support my weight. Nice. So they got all these shops kind of far away. That's like a rice place. What's that? I'm too blind. It's not good enough. It looks like a pho restaurant, but yeah, that's it for now. See you guys later. We found the Korean ice cream place. We got Melonas. This. Look at this. What is this? Is this like for kung fu fighting? If you fall off, you land on these spikes over here? What is this? Fall in the pool, and then you transform. Which pond did you fall in? That is the panda pond. Okay, so there's this sign. You can't even read it, but it says, oh, there you go, Pho Hanoi. Then you got this big restaurant. We're crossing the street. Here's actually not too busy. Go. Yeah, it's so weird compared to Saigon. It's like now there's like one, and you just go ahead, and then and this is their whole food street. So they probably have a lot of food. Ngon auto. What's an auto? I don't know if you want to eat cars. That sounds weird, but okay. But yeah, we're gonna walk around some more. Oh, let's see, what's this? They got some chicken dishes, fish, soup, vegetable, lots of stuff. Okay, so we got some beef pho from this restaurant. I was worried they tricked us and just ran off with the money. I saw the lady, I was like, where'd she go? But my smoothies, they said 3 more minutes or something, I don't know. But here we go. Let's give this a taste. This is good. Good. Alright, so I ordered a jackfruit smoothie, or called Sinto is smoothie, and then this is called Mit, right? I think jackfruit, yeah, jackfruit is Mit. It's really good, really good. Highly recommended if you like jackfruit. Okay, look at this. On the way here, there's like so many pools and stuff. It's so nice. Oh, everyone's joining us. Oh, it's like a beach. It's like an actual beach. There's sand here. I thought you were kidding when you said the beach. Is this like actually connected to the ocean? What? That's so nice. We'll come back in the daytime. It's too dark right now. Okay, look at this. With the ocean at night. Somebody sitting out there? Oh. Whoa. Let's see the water here. Look at this. It's actually out in the ocean right now. Oh. Ah! Oh yeah, the water's nice. Oh god. Oh god. I don't want to get in my shoes. I need my sandals now. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. The market's out that way, and the beach is actually behind the hotel, the other side.